to share some thoughts about learning, especially with our young children. Because of how we were brought up in the convention that we've been oriented to, we tend to equate learning with schooling. And sadly so, in this time of our ECQ or lockdown, stay at home, one of the industries or one of the areas that are regarded as non-essential and therefore is set not to resume anytime soon are schools. It would be sad to think of school as non-essential, but then understandably, because of the precautions that we need to take, it appears that, you know, schools are a non-essential area that needs to be, needs to remain closed for a bit longer than others. And so if we equate schooling to learning, then we might think that, oh my goodness, what's going to happen with the learning in our children? But what I'd like to propose today is a different line of thought. That learning is not necessarily or does not necessarily have to equate with formal schooling. That learning is actually done in the context of not an adult or a school or an institution transferring content, but learning happens when a child is engaged in an activity that allows him to progress, to develop in areas of growth, not necessarily solely academic growth. And so, for young children especially, learning involves learning the control of one's body. A simple task, such as what we see here, of controlling the body, to open and close the door with discipline, a body that is guided by the mind, is a form of learning, especially for a young child, because this serves as an important foundation of empowering the child to control the body with something more superior, which is the mind. Or, for instance, learning by engaging or being involved in tasks of daily living that are done in the home, that encourages the child to cooperate with other family members, learn how to take turns, interact in an amicable way, be able to get along, schedule and the flow of family life. That is a very unique learning opportunity that we will never again get. And we're given this chance now because we are in our homes with our children 24/7. So perhaps I could encourage you to shift and to be a little bit more relaxed on this aspect of learning as equating it with formal schooling, and to look around in your home environment and see how you could nurture and build this environment and truly make it into one that will nurture the learning potential in your child. So this is a discovery that I encourage all you, my dear parents, to get on with during this very special time of opportunity. Thank you.